Hello, welcome. Question number 31, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students. If a particle of mass 40.7 kg starts from rest and reaches a velocity of 3 meters per second in 10 seconds, we have to find the impulse on the particle. If you follow our tutorial that we did on mechanics, dynamics, you see, under impulse. Impulse is, let's begin with the information given in the question. The mass has been given as 40.7 kg. A body starts from rest. So initial velocity will be 0 meter per second and reaches a velocity of this. Final velocity 3 meter per second, and in time is 10 seconds. We are looking for impulse, which is defined in terms of force, time, and mass and velocity. So we can say by definition, impulse could be Ft given by the change in momentum, which is final momentum minus initial momentum. But you can see mm being common. I can say that m taken away v minus u. This is defining the concept we call impulse. But Ft here is the force times the time, right? So if I find this, I am going to just think of knowing the force. How can I find the force? I can find the force first. So this is going to be Ft. I can say that, but we have our F equals to, dividing by this will give you mv minus u, all divided by t. This is describing the, the acceleration. V minus u over t describe the acceleration. So let's see, what can I do from here? I need to find that acceleration. So what will it be? Okay, let me just say force equals to the mass of the body, 40.7 into bracket, final velocity 3, initial velocity divided by time. All right, this is just to find the force responsible for keeping the body in the particle, right? All right, the particle. So let's see, the bracket will be 3 alone. So 3 times 40.7, that should be divided by 10, and that will give you Newton, defining only the force. So therefore, impulse, which is Ft, will become the force 12.21 times 10, and that will move to 12.21 Newton seconds. Newton is the force. The time is in seconds. Now, if we want to solve this without making use of the time, we can only say that the impulse is equals to the change in momentum right away from here. The change in momentum, we ignore the time. So this, okay, even here, this is going to be the value of this will be 3 times this. The 3 times that without the division by 10 will give you the 122.1 directly. That means you are just saying the impulse equals the change in momentum, which will give you the same answer, ignoring the 10 in the question. But here you make use of the 10, we still get the same answer. So the option we are going to go for is going to be the option A. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.